All right, here at O Laundry, checking out a rooftop unit. YSC090, F as in Frank, 3, E as in Edward, L as in Larry, A as in Alpha, 0000. Can't see those, it looks like 4. Serial 161310590, L as in Larry, Sweet B. Unit looks newer. Coil looks good. Hot, blowing out heat. Economizer, I'm assuming it's there. Got a lot of water here, which lets me know. Okay, that's a 7.2 on there. Oh, that's the delivery number. Okay. Get a picture here, even though you can't really see it. It's a train, obviously. Ooh. Okay. Let's see why we're not draining properly. That's PVC. Okay. Using my meta glasses, man. Got these the other day. Try out. See how the videos look. Whew. Oh, baby. Insulation's coming off. The economizer there is really dirty. That coil needs a cleaner. Bad. But it looks like it might be okay. Okay, so we need to figure out why this thing is clogged. I kind of got an idea. They're extremely dirty. They definitely need to be cleaned. Got water all up in there.